This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Mini Lock Monday. There's only 3 locks left on the list, and the wheel is decided to be pretty cruel throughout this whole process, leaving the 2 Abus 7240s at the end here, so we'll see which one it gives me next here. The locks that are left on the wheel are all 40 millimeters or smaller. I will pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. So here we go. Oops, so there's the entries. Looks like it'll be number 19. Abus 7240 black padlock. So let's get to picking. All right, see if we can't get an open on this Abus 7240. Start back here. Moving on the car. We're moving on the car. And an open. Well, that took a little bit. All right. So, hopefully you enjoyed that. Abus 7240. Hope you enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for next week when I pick the next lock the wheel chooses. If you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. And thank you for watching. See you next week.